Hello everyone, welcome back to My Learnings to Become a Scrum Master. Today we are going to see what is Agile mindset in simple understanding words with an example. So an Agile mindset is a way of thinking. It's a way of thinking. It is about being open to change, learning from experiences and adapting to evolving circumstances. Let's see an example. It's a case one. Imagine you are planning for a vacation for your partner and two kids age 3 and 6 years age. So how you plan basically? So let's uh, let's remember the key principles are like flexibility, collaboration, delivering the value quickly, and continuous learning, right? So first of all, what we do, instead of planning the entire vacation at once, start with a basic plan, then choose a destination and outline the main activities, right? Second, we used to have involve your partner and kids in the planning process. Discuss their preferences and interest. For instance, ask the kids what activities they would enjoy and what places they would like to visit, right? And then you need to prioritize your activities. Identify the most important elements of the vacation that would bring joy to your partners and kids, right? So this might include a visit to a theme park, a day at the beach, or exploring a zoo. So plan to include these high priority activities early in the vacation, right? Next, be open to changes, like ready to adjust. If you want to find out during the vacation that the kids are particularly interested in a specific activity or attraction, okay, in a specific activity or attraction, be ready to adjust the plan to accommodate their interest. Finally, what you do is throughout the vacation, pay attention to what brings the most joy and satisfaction to your partner and kids. So what we do from this, learn from their reactions and preferences and use this information to adjust your plans for future days or future vacations, right? So from this basic plan, okay, what we are doing is we are having a iterative planning. We are having the iterative planning, right? We have iterative planning. So what do you call as in agile mindset, we call as iterative planning. Next, we have done we have involved partner and kids where you have a good collaboration. So involve your partner and kids in the planning process, right? Then after that, you are prioritizing it, right? So prioritizing and delivering the value quickly. So next, what we have done, according to our flexibility, ready to adjust the plan and ask your partner and the kids uh, where they are particularly interested in specific activity or attraction. That is what flexibility according to the agile mindset. Next is continuous learning. So throughout the vacation, you're paying attention to what brings the most joy and satisfaction for your partner and kids. So this is one of the case one in the real life, which is fitting to your agile mindset. Next, we'll take mindset of case two. Imagine this time you're not planning with your kids, only you're planning with your romantic vacation for your partner. So basically, what you do, you are planning uh, uh, certain planning romantic vacation using a basic plan, right, with a basic outline of the romantic vacation, including your potential designations and activities. So think about what your partner would enjoy the most here, right? Next is you're involving your partner in the planning process, discuss their dream destinations, right? Favorite activities and many specific experiences they have been uh, interested for. So their input is crucial for creating and truly romantic and personalized gateway, right? So you're involving your partner here in the planning process where you have a good collaboration. And the third, what we have learned is you need to prioritize it. Prioritize. Identify your key romantic elements that will make the vacation very special, right? This might include a surprise, you're planning a surprise dinner at a location, a couple's spa day, or a private sunset cruise, right? Just like, okay, fine. So plan to include these high priority romantic experiences early in the vacation. So which gives you value quickly, right? So next, what you do? Ready to adjust the plan. So be open to spontaneously if you discover a hidden during the vacation, or if your partner express interest in trying something new, be ready to adjust your plans to accommodate these romantic surprises, right? Where you need to be more flexible here, otherwise you can't satisfy your partner here, right? The next, you have though throughout the vacation, pay attention to what brings the most joy and connection to you and your partner. So learn from these shared experiences and use this knowledge to enhance the romantic aspects of the vacation as it unfolds, right? So this is how you need to plan and shape up your mindset, adjust your plan and learn from your continuous learning, where it will be useful for your future plans and vacations. So next comes the mindset, case 3. Imagine now you are building a house for your family. Okay, so here, what do you do generally when you're planning for building a house? So here, imagine you're building a house. In the traditional mindset, you might plan out every detail before starting the construction, right? So that is what we include that in the agile mindset as iterative planning. So an agile mindset, however, would involve starting with a basic plan, right? Building a small part of the house, getting feedback, and then adjusting your plan accordingly. So you're flexible and can change your approach, right? You will be involving instead of working in silos. An agile mindset of promotes teamwork and constant communication. So in our house building, no, the architect, you will be involving the architect, builders, and homeowners collaborate regularly. So if something isn't working or needs adjustment, they discuss it, okay, and make changes together, right? Next, we need to prioritize. So in the agile mindset, the goal is to provide the value to the customer, right? The goal is to value to the customer as soon as possible. So going back to our example, okay, rather than waiting until the entire house is finished. So agile mindset involve delivering a livable space first, then improving and adding features based on the feedback, right? So we need to adjust to the plan. Sometimes the plan might be changed, right? So you might be you have to be flexible and can change your approach based on what you learn along the way, right? So final, as you learned earlier, the continuous learning. Agile involves a willingness to learn from both success and failures. So if a certain construction method worked well, you'll use it again if something didn't work as planned, right? So you learn from it and adjust your approach in the future. That's right. So I hope you understand these mindsets cases as an example. Okay, so generally, mindset, be conscious of your thoughts, and your thoughts become your words, and your words become your actions, and your actions become your habits, and your habits become your character, and your character becomes your reality, right? So, according to the agile mindset, is a way of thinking that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and focuses on delivering the value quickly and continuously. So, primary goal of agile mindset is to focus on continuous learning and continuous delivery of the value to the customers as the primary goal of your work. I hope this is helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.